What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico. We back again with another banger, man. We already know how we rocking, man. We back again with another something. Now, today I got something special for y'all. I showed y'all the oil treatment. Make sure I go tune in with that video. Link down in bio. Don't forget to like this video. Already off the rip, we just gonna like the video and go tune in with the hot oil treatment, because today we doing a hot towel method, man. We gotta open up them pores, get some product in there, so we can just get the scalp, you know, feel me, lock that product in. And just, you know, how your waves looking right, man, so they can just looking clean and be looking good. Just everything can be right. Matter of fact, we just gonna unrag and stop talking and get straight to business. Let me show y'all the waves off the rip, so I can show y'all what I'm talking about when I say hot towel method, man. You feel me? The waves that get to looking like that. You know? Y'all tell me how y'all want to do it, man. We finna do a hot towel method, man. You already know what you need, man. You're gonna need your curved brush, your straight brush, whatever brush you feel you comfortable with. Get that brush that's gonna lock it in. Me, I'm gonna get my medium hard brush, so that way I can get down to the scalp, because I'm woofing right now. I'm 6 weeks woofing. I might do 10 weeks. I don't know. I might just cut the woof off camera. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. But y'all, you know, feel me, let me know what y'all want me to do. I might do 10 weeks and cut it. I don't know, man. It's a lot of stuff coming up and I want to have a cut right now. I'll probably wait till woofing season and then I'm going to do a big heavy woof. So make sure y'all got y'all mirror, y'all hot towel. Go get your towel. I'm going to show y'all what y'all need. All right, y'all, so I got what I need right here. Y'all see this? It's a nice towel. It's a rag, but it's not like a towel. You feel me? A towel is like way larger. This is big enough to fit on my head and all of that. So what y'all going to do is y'all gonna go wet this and warm it up in the bowl. Y'all should already know how to do. Wet it and leave water in the bowl when you warm it up. You're gonna blow your microwave around. Just leave water in the bowl and wet the rack first. Fill the bowl up with water and warm it up. Hot. This need to be steaming. I wanna see steam coming off the rack when I come back. So right now we're just gonna go do that. Alright, man, I forgot to tell y'all how much minutes to put it on. Make sure y'all just put it on like 1 minute and a half tops, man. Alright, so make sure y'all got y'all rag, put it on like 1 minute and 30 seconds so it could be really steaming, and you want to put it on your head instantly, man. Alright, what I did was I warmed it up, you know, warmed the towel up, you feel me? Hot water in the sink or in the microwave. And then I threw it inside, squeezed it out, threw it inside of here, or if it's too hot for you, you can throw it inside of here and squeeze it out through here. And close it up so it can stay sealed, because by the time you get back to wherever you're going to put it on at in the mirror, it's going to get cold extra fast. So right now it's still concealed, it's hot, and you just throw that bad boy on just like that. If you don't feel the heatness on your head, you ain't doing it right. Feel me? Pat it down them areas, do another area while it's still hot. Do your whole head, your whole pattern. And you basically just patting it in. What you're doing right now is heating up your head so the pores can open up and that product can seep in and get down to the scalp, you feel me? Okay, by now your towel may be, you know, damp. You can go heat it up again and do it one more time if you really want to, so you can get that full effect. Or you can just start applying the product. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some product to apply in there. Alright, man, today we're gonna be using this sporting wave, the black sporting wave, man. Yes, we're going back natural. This ain't natural, but yes, we're going back old school on y'all. Yes, yes, yes. Apply that all over the top, you know, and it's gonna lather up real good. It's gonna lather up real good. Once again, a dime size amount. Throw that in. Put that on that weak side. Now we need something for the back. That look cool. Don't look like I'm doing it wrong. Feel me? Keep rubbing that bad boy in. We getting it locked in right now. And you supposed to apply it in the way you brush, man. That way it can get locked into your pattern the right way. We taking it back old school on you, man. You know what I mean? Don't forget to hit that crown up, get another amount, hit that crown up. Don't forget about the most important part. Seal that back up. Toss that bad boy to the side. Feel me? We done with this rag. Toss that bad boy to the side. We're done with this plastic bag. We're gonna set that to the side because we're gonna use that. Now, what you need is this and this right here, and you go in. Right now we're gonna switch brushes, switch it to my hard. Pretty much what you do now, you feel me, plastic bag until you can't no more, throw that rag on, and now y'all should already know what's next. Y'all should know what I'm gonna say. It's a routine, man. Like I said, like the video, subscribe, give me the 4,000. It's a giveaway at 4,000. Are y'all not ready? I gave away 2 royalty brushes, man, and 2 silky do-rags last time. Just imagine how it's gonna go crazy. And that was at 500. Just imagine how it's gonna go crazy at 4,000. We at 4,000, man, in less than 10 months. I've only been on YouTube for 9 months. About to be 10. Ain't even been a year. 4,000 in a year? What? Let's get this wave game back cracking, man. Hey, go share with this. Hey, for real though, honestly, I need y'all to really share my video with y'all, with y'all friends, and with everybody y'all feel like need to cut their hair, and if you know, cause I'm doing this for y'all. You know, I'm doing this for y'all. You know, at the end of the day, and I want y'all waves to progress. I want y'all waves to get just like mine. You know, at the end of the day. You feel me? I want y'all to be as goated as possible. I want y'all to be the GOAT. I want to be the GOAT. We all want to be the GOAT. So, you feel me? How we going to get there? We're going to get there together, man. We're going to catch up. We're going to be elite. You feel me? We're going to get there. We're going to do that dang thing, man. If I have to hit you, I'm telling you, man, hit you with a cold look. You feel me? Hit you with a cold little 2-piece or something, man. If y'all don't get to watching this video and liking and sharing, man, I'm gonna have to. I'm telling you, you better share. If I hit you with another one, man, you better share the video. Oh, you didn't even see that one coming. Look, which hand gonna come? Which hand's gonna come? Hit you with. You better like the video. I'll turn the Ali in this motherfucker, man. No, I'm just fucking with y'all, man. Hey, turn up this, man. Turn up the like button, man. Turn it up for the one time, man. Hot towel method for beginners. All of that. It's been your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And man, I'm starving, man. I need to go eat some breakfast like I was in the last video. Gang.